Hello guys, I'm Meet Sony. Welcome back to my channel. So guys, today's opportunity are actually very different from regular fresher jobs because these companies are working heavily in AI systems, video intelligence, machine learning workflows and backend engineering. And especially the first company, this is not a normal CRUD development role. They are literally building AI systems that convert long form videos into high quality short form content automatically. You must watch this video till the end. Now let's start with the first opportunity. The company is Tessact and they are hiring for the role of software engineer. This is an in-office role based in Bangalore. They are offering around 10 to 20 LPA, which is honestly very strong. And one thing I want to mention is this is for 1 plus year of experienced candidates. And don't worry if you don't have any experience, I have one more opportunity in the next. Now let's understand what exactly the company is building. Tessact is working on AI powered systems that automatically convert long form videos into short form clips, and according to them, this is not a basic video clipping. Now, coming to the responsibilities, you will work on systems that segment long videos into meaningful clips using transcript, scene understanding, embeddings, and LLM reasoning. You will also work on distributed video processing pipelines, background jobs, queues, retries, and failure handling systems. Apart from that, they want engineers who can optimize AI workloads for cost, latency, and reliability. The role also includes working with structured LLM outputs and evaluation workflows. Now, coming to the required skills, they are mainly looking for strong backend engineers with Python experience. You should understand APIs, async systems, background processing, debugging, and distributed systems. They also want hands on LLM experience in real systems, not just tutorial basics. And they specifically mentioned prompt engineering. The next company is Alten India and they are hiring for the role of Java developers in Chennai. Goes up to 6 LPA for freshers and experienced candidates. Now this role is mainly for candidates who are strong in Java web development and backend fundamentals. The company is looking for skills in core Java, servlets, EJB, Angular, JSON and SQL. They also want exposure to tools like Eclipse IDE, Jenkins and Sonar, and they mentioned experience with application servers like Tomcat and Wildfly. Now, apart from backend development, they also expect some understanding of front-end development like HTML5, CSS, JavaScript, and Spring Framework. Education-wise, any graduate can apply. So, if you have built something around this tech stack, this role is perfect for you. Now, let's move to the final role. The third company is Full Stack Digital, and they are hiring front-end developers for international clients. This is a remote opportunity, and the salary range is around 3 to 8 LPA. Now, this company is a boutique international digital agency working with healthcare brands, e commerce businesses, and Australian clients. And honestly, this role is more product or design focused compared to normal front end jobs. They specifically mentioned that they want someone who generally cares about UI details like perfect spacing, font balance, responsive layouts, and clean visual hierarchy. So, if you enjoy front end development and love making websites visually polished, this role will suit you very well. Now, what work will you do? You will build websites from scratch using Astro, React, Tailwind CSS, and WordPress Bricks Builder. You will convert Figma designs into fully responsive, production ready website. Apart from that, you will also maintain live client websites, handle Shopify storefront changes, integrate CRMs and third party tools, and work on promotional campaigns and UI updates. Now, the tech stack here is honestly very modern. They use Astro 6, React 19, Tailwind CSS, V4, Shopify, GitHub, WordPress, and AI tools like Claude and Codex CLI. And one interesting thing, they clearly said AI usage is not optional in their workflow. So they expect developers to already use AI tools for coding, debugging, learning frameworks, and speeding up development. Apart from technical skills, communication is huge priority here. They want someone who responds quickly, understands briefs properly, and pay attention to detail. So if you are interested in front-end development, you can definitely check it out. Make sure to check out the application link in the description box. And if you want more such latest job updates, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications. Till then, keep learning and keep applying. Thanks for watching, guys.